you want to know more about external crypto wallets, watch this video to an end. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be the first time coming across any of my videos on YouTube, my name is Brian and this is what I usually do on YouTube. I talk about everything money. So if today happens to be the first time, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop any content about how to make money online. Like this video if you enjoy it and also share for others to get the benefits. So as I said earlier on, in today's video I'm going to talk about external crypto wallets, how they work and how you can get a solid or a trusted external crypto wallet for your transactions or receivings of funds into your crypto. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So when I say external crypto wallets, I can make mention of Binance, Trust Wallets, OKX, and a lot out there. So external crypto wallets are like your MTN Mobile Money, Telecel Cash, or Airtel Tigo. They are wallets which can hold your funds. You can transfer funds from your wallet to a different wallet and also receive funds from other wallets to your wallet. One amazing thing which makes external crypto wallets different from your normal mobile money wallet is you can sometimes trade on your external crypto wallet. So I'm going to pick them one by one and talk about them. So one of the most popular external crypto wallets is Binance and Trust Wallet, and I'm going to talk about Binance and Trust Wallet solely in this particular video. So sit back and let's talk about them. So someone is going to ask the essence of you getting external crypto wallets on your phone or your laptop. So this is one of the most important thing or the reasons why you should get external crypto wallets on your device. So you can see most payment method on the internet is being crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, or other crypto wallets. So in order to make transactions or receive funds from websites where you work, there is a need for you to get external crypto wallets in order to receive your salary or your earnings from these websites. I won't go far. We are all working on how we can make money on Astera, and one of the easiest ways to get paid on Astera is by using the TRC20 wallet address, of which you can get them on Binance and on Trust Wallet as well. So let me talk about Binance, how Binance works, and how you can get Binance on your phone in order to receiving funds from Astera or anywhere that you'll be receiving funds from. In order for you to register for an account, there is a need for you to get your email address and your phone number ready. So during the registration, you registered with your phone number as well as your email account. On Binance, there is a need for you to verify your identity with your passport or any national identity. So in Ghana, we usually use the Ghana card for identity. Without the verification of your identity, you cannot use Binance. In order to register for a Binance account, there is a link in my description where you can register for a Binance account within the shortest possible time. So in Binance, you can get access to a lot of cryptocurrencies and get your crypto wallets down there. In order to copy your wallet address, send it to the various websites in order to receive your payments from. It's super easy and super simple. In this video, I'm going to go deeply into Binance, how you can get your wallet address, and a lot about Binance. Talking about Trust Wallet, I know most of you have been scammed on Trust Wallet, and it's good you've been here. So Trust Wallet is one of the best external crypto wallets in order to hold your funds and also transfer crypto to any other external crypto wallet. Okay, so on Trust Wallet, people use this particular feature to scam people, and let me take this opportunity to address this particular issue. Whenever you're given the 12 phrase in order to log in any Trust Wallet, do not log in with those key phrases being given to you on the internet or wherever you see them. They are potential scammers. So in order to create a Trust Wallet account, just go to Google Play Store or the App Store to download Trust Wallet, and within some few steps, you'll be able to sign up for Trust Wallet for yourself. As I said earlier on, there is no need for you to get any 12 phrase from anyone. Those sending 12 phrase on the internet are scammers. This is what they do. They set their account to a view only account, which is some way, somehow a demo account, which will be loaded with a huge amount of money. And they'll promise you that you can be able to transfer this amount to a different Trust Wallet, which is totally untrue. So you guys should desist from these people giving out 12 key phrase to you in order to log in to transfer some amount of money from that particular Trust Wallet to a different wallet. Don't do that. So these are the two external crypto wallets that I'm going to talk about, which is Binance and Trust Wallet. Do not get one of these on your smartphone, and I recommend Binance to you. Use the link in my description in order to create a Binance account for yourself for free. I've been using Binance for the past 5 years, and trust me, I haven't encountered any fraudulent activities from Binance, because Binance is said to be one of the most secured external crypto wallets out there. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video is helpful, kindly like and share for others to get the benefits. Consider watching videos on how you can make money through Astera. Astera is one of the best ways to make money online. There is no need for you to invest any amount of money. Just start up with your phone and you'll be able to make some cool cash for yourself. Check out my videos on Astera and trust me, you'll be able to make no less than $100 each and every month. If this video is helpful, kindly share for others to get a benefit. Don't hesitate to leave all your questions or comments in the comment box and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this. My name is Brian and I'm out.